I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can delete Roblox from your PC. So there's two type of Roblox you can play on your PC. One's gonna be the browser version and the other is gonna be the desktop downloaded version. So you can only delete the desktop's downloaded version because if you try to delete the browser version you can't because the browser version is actually not saved on your PC. By that I mean this. So once you're in your browser you go to roblox.com over here. Now once you go to roblox.com, this thing is going to be saved in Roblox server, so you can't delete it. What you can only do is you can just cross this tab and close it. You can't delete it. But the Roblox which is going to be on your PC like this, I'm going to search for Roblox over here. As you guys can see, this Roblox, well, this you can delete because you have installed it on your PC. And remember this, once you delete your Roblox over here, your Roblox app is only going to be deleted. Your account is not going to be deleted. Your Roblox account is still going to be on the server of Roblox. In order to delete your Roblox account, there's going to be a whole different process. On that process, as you just simply go to your search bar and you can search for Roblox. Once you see Roblox app over here, you can click on it. Once you click on it, or you can just right click on it and click on uninstall, or you can also click on this uninstall button over here, alright? Just click on whichever uninstall you want. Right click one or the side one. It's going to do the same thing. Just click on uninstall. It's going to ask you this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So you just want to click on uninstall and everything related with Roblox is going to be deleted from your PC. It says Roblox is being uninstalled. It might take a bit of time, but you can close the tab and it's automatically going to be uninstalled in better time. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can uninstall Roblox from your PC.